New Chinese AI destroys Photoshop. Chinese AI just killed Photoshop. I'm serious, you sketch something rough, type a few words, and boom, 4K image done. No Photoshop skills needed. None. And by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly how to use it to grow your business faster than ever. Okay, let's get into it. ByteDance just dropped Seedream 5.0 Lite, released February 12th, 2026. And this thing is genuinely different from every other image tool I've seen. This is the same company behind TikTok, and now they're going after Photoshop directly. I'm going to show you what it does, give you real examples, and show you how to use it to create content for something like AI Profit Boardroom in seconds flat. It's an AI image generation model, but calling it that almost undersells it. The thing that makes it different is that it actually thinks. It doesn't just take your words literally, it understands what you mean behind the words. Other AI image tools guess, Seedream 5.0 Lite reasons, through your request like a designer would. It outputs natively in 4K. The text inside images is clean and accurate, which is something most AI image tools still completely butcher. The layouts make logical sense, and it works from sketches too. You literally doodle something rough on paper, upload it, describe the vibe, and it turns your scribble into a polished professional visual in 2 to 3 seconds. That's not an exaggeration, that's the benchmark they're hitting. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Think about how much time you spend on visuals every single week. Thumbnails, social media posts, landing page graphics, course covers, ad creatives, email headers. If you're building something like AI Profit Boardroom, you need a constant stream of professional looking content. Seedream 5.0 Lite collapses that time down to almost nothing. You type a prompt, you get a 4K image in 3 seconds, no layers, no tools, no 20+ monthly Photoshop subscription, just describe what you want and it appears, and that's the shift that makes this genuinely exciting for anyone running a content heavy business. So think about your competitors right now. They're still spending hours in Canva or paying designers hundreds of dollars a month to produce content that looks professional. You could be doing the same thing in 3 seconds with a text prompt. That gap in speed and output is going to compound massively over time. The person who can produce 10 pieces of content in the time it takes someone else to make one is going to win. That's what Seedream 5.0 Lite hands you, a genuine unfair advantage in content production that most people don't even know exists yet. Photoshop is powerful, I'm not going to pretend otherwise, but it's built for people who've spent years learning it. It's slow, it's manual, and if you make one mistake, you're undoing and redoing layers for 20 minutes. Seedream 5.0 Lite completely flips this dynamic. You give it a rough idea and it figures out everything else. The layout, the spacing, the lighting, the logic behind the composition. Before I keep going, quick thing, if you want to learn how to use AI tools like Seedream 5.0 Lite to create faster, build smarter, and grow your business without burning out, you need to check out AI Profit Boardroom. It's where we break down the latest AI tools step by step and show you how to plug them into a real business system. No fluff, no theory, just what actually works. Link is in the description. Go check it out and come right back because we're just getting started. Here's a real example using AI Profit Boardroom. Say you want a social media graphic. You type something like bold banner for an AI automation community called AI Profit Boardroom, dark background, neon accents, a futuristic style headline says join 10,000 AI entrepreneurs. In Photoshop, you're picking fonts, fiddling with layers, exporting at the right dimensions, maybe 45 minutes if you're fast, probably longer. In Seedream 5.0 Lite, you type that prompt and you have a 4K image in 3 seconds. Same quality, zero design skill required. And here's the part that really impressed me. It understands physical logic. If you describe a scene with a coffee cup on a desk next to a laptop, it gets the shadows right, the reflections right, the spatial relationships right. That's the stuff other tools completely mess up, and that makes images look fake and unusable. One of the standout features of Seedream 5.0 Lite is that it can pull in current real-world information and incorporate it into your image generation. So if you want a visual built around trending AI tools right now, it doesn't just generate something generic, it can actually work with what's relevant in the moment. For anyone creating content around a community like AI Profit Boardroom, where staying current is everything, that's a massive advantage. Your visuals stay relevant without you doing hours of research to feed the tool the right context. This feature alone could save you a significant chunk of your content creation time. You upload a reference image that matches your brand, describe the vibe, and every new graphic you generate automatically matches that look and feel. Say, AI Profit Boardroom has a specific style: dark, clean, neon accents, futuristic but professional. You upload one example image, and every new piece of content you create inherits that brand identity automatically. No more spending 30 minutes trying to manually match colors, fonts, and spacing across every new graphic. The tool just does it consistently every time. And here's something most people miss about consistency in branding. It's not just about looking good, it's about building trust. When every piece of content you put out looks cohesive and professional, people take you more seriously. They trust the brand faster. For something like AI Profit Boardroom, where you're building a community and selling the idea of AI automation as a serious business strategy, that visual consistency is part of the credibility. Seedream 5.0 Lite lets you maintain that consistency at scale without hiring a full-time designer or spending your evenings tweaking graphics. Let me make this concrete. For thumbnails, you type something like YouTube thumbnail for a video about AI tools, saving 10 hours a week, shocked expression, bold text overlay, dark background, neon colors, futuristic feel. 3 seconds later, you have a 4K thumbnail ready for YouTube. That used to take 30 minutes minimum in Canva. For landing page graphics, you type hero image for AI Profit Boardroom, person working from laptop with AI dashboards on screen, clean modern office, text says automate your business with AI. Done instantly, looks like a professional designer created it. For course content and educational visuals, which is a big part of what AI Profit Boardroom delivers, you can type infographic showing an AI automation workflow for a small business, step 1 input, step 2 AI processing, step 3 output, clean minimalist layout, dark mode. Seedream 5.0 Lite builds it with accurate layout, clean readable text, and logical visual flow. That kind of graphic used to require hiring a designer or spending hours wrestling with Canva templates. Most AI image tools fall apart the moment you try to edit something. You change one thing and the whole image breaks. Seedream 5.0 Lite handles this differently because it understands what should and shouldn't change. You've got an image you like, but you want to adjust the background or add something to the scene. You just describe the change in plain language. Blur the background, add a neon glow to the text, shift the logo to the top right corner. It makes the change, and everything else stays exactly as it was. That consistency is what makes it actually usable in a real workflow, not just impressive in demos. This means Seedream 5.0 Lite doesn't just work from text. You can combine text prompts with reference images to get extremely precise outputs. So if you've got a rough wireframe of a landing page for AI Profit Boardroom, you upload it alongside your text description, and the tool uses both to generate exactly what you had in mind. This is the feature that makes it genuinely useful for real business work, rather than just creative experimentation. You're not just hoping the AI guesses right, you're giving it multiple inputs to work from, which means the output is far more accurate and far more usable straight out of the box. Seedream 5.0 Lite scores higher than its predecessor. Seedream 4.5 on Elo benchmarks, which is essentially a quality ranking system for AI models, is particularly strong in editing tasks, knowledge visualization, turning complex information into clean, readable graphics, and office and business productivity use cases. So if you're using this specifically for business content creation, which is exactly the use case for AI Profit Boardroom, you're playing to its strengths. Free trials are available through the ModelArc API on Volcano Engine, and it's also accessible through the Dreamina AI platform. The link is in the description. The API is straightforward. You put in your prompt, add a reference image if you have one, and hit generate. 3 seconds later, you have a 4K image ready to use. Go try it right now. I see new AI tools drop every single week, and most of them are just hype with a slick landing page. Seedream 5.0 Lite is genuinely different because it's not just generating pretty pictures, it's reasoning through your request, understanding your intent, and applying spatial and logical thinking to the output. For anyone building a content-heavy business, and if you're in AI Profit Boardroom, that's you, this cuts your content creation time dramatically while actually improving the quality of what you produce. More output, better results, zero design skills required. That combination is rare. 2 things before you go. First, AI Profit Boardroom. If you want to stay ahead of tools like Seedream 5.0 Lite and learn how to integrate them into a real scalable business system, that's where we do it. Step by step, constantly updated, real use cases, not theory. Link is in the description, or come join us. Second, AI Success Lab. This is our free AI community with over 40,000 members. You get the full process, SOPs, 100 plus AI use cases like this one, all the notes from today's video, and access to a community of people who are actually building with AI right now. Is completely free, and the links are in the comments and description. Go grab both. Try Seedream 5.0 Lite today, and drop a comment below telling me what's the first image you're going to generate. Julian reads every single one. Let's go.